I am Agnes, teacher librarian at 6 Mile Line. We stated in Mosby where the 6 Mile settlement is. The library is set up for the kids who are unable to go to the child care mining center or other schools. And I saw that there's a need to store. The library is set up for them to come inside, while the kids, since the library is set up, the children flock into the library and they learn a lot from this library. Through my experience, I see that the children came from no backgrounds, good backgrounds. Most of their parents spend their time in marketing from early hours of the morning till late, and no time for their kids, and kids are just they know the good hygiene, how to look after themselves when they go back. They're very dirty, you won't like it at the first place, but when they came, they learn more from the library, and I see that this library set up a good feedback from kids to their parents, and they see that this library really helps them, and the children are changing, and when the parents saw the children, they are growing at the same time, and they bloom themselves, and now they become students, and the library is like a real place to learn. And they came, and from my experience, I saw that they have nothing in their brain, and they came in and they store a lot into their brain, and they are learning. They don't know what is ABC, they 1, 2, 3 and all these colors and numbers, but they came in and they learn a lot. They learn the ABC, phonics. The most important thing we teach them in the library is the phonics. We teach them the phonics, and they know the sounds of these letters, the ABCD letters, and then when they go through the books, they saw each letters and sound the letters, and that's when they make up a word and they know how to read. And now I can see that the feedback is there through their phonics. Some of the children, they can even read it on their own, the books. The few words in the books, they just read it by themselves, and I'm very proud of them, and I'm very proud of the library as well, because this library became a good place where parents can see and bring their children to come and learn and read books. So that's all about the library, and every day we receive a lot of visitors coming into our libraries, and they see what the children are doing, and most of the parents they have enough, but they know that this library is doing a lot to their kids, so they're bringing a lot of children coming to the library. So so they are looking forward for the next year that they will bring more children coming into the library, because they see that their children are coming out, they are getting something out of the library.